We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2019 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited. This thing is completely set up for your next big trip. Has the locking top case with added luggage rack, locking saddlebags, really comfortable for your passenger. They have floorboards and a really nice backrest with speakers. The rider also has a backrest and floorboards. It's got the 114 cubic inch engine. This bike also has ABS, which is really nice for all the possible weight you could have on here. Heel toe shifter. And really a nice tall windshield with the additional pockets on there as well. We run on a fob, so we are keyless, and miles are 1,979. That is it. This thing also has a Vance and Hines on it. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.